Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed when trying to declutter and organize your space? You're definitely not alone. Today we're diving into what not to do when decluttering and organizing. Hi, and welcome back to Modern Minimalism, where we help you create a peaceful and efficient lifestyle through the art of minimalism. Decluttering and organizing your space can truly transform your life, making it more serene and functional. But sometimes, the process itself can be daunting and overwhelming. That's why it's crucial to approach it the right way. In today's video, we'll uncover some common pitfalls that many people encounter when decluttering and organizing, so you can avoid them and achieve the calm, orderly home you deserve. Now, let's talk about the challenges. Decluttering is not just about getting rid of things, it's about creating a space that reflects your values and lifestyle. However, several mistakes can actually set you back rather than move you forward. Some of the most common mistakes include hoarding unnecessary items, not having a clear system in place, trying to tackle too much at once, and more. These missteps can make the process feel never-ending and counterproductive. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more minimalist living advice. Let's dive deeper into each of these don'ts and understand why they're detrimental to your decluttering journey. 1. Don't hoard unnecessary items. One of the biggest roadblocks to decluttering is holding on to things we don't need. Ask yourself if an item adds value to your life or if it's just taking up space. Keep what's essential and let go of the rest to free up physical and mental space. 2. Don't skip creating a system. Without a clear organization system, even the most thorough decluttering efforts can fall flat. Designate specific areas for different categories of items, use labels and containers to keep things organized, and establish routines to maintain order. 3. Don't tackle everything at once. It's tempting to dive into a massive decluttering project, but this approach often leads to burnout and unfinished tasks. Break down your decluttering goals into manageable chunks, focusing on one room or category at a time. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Kindly hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this about everything minimalism. 4. Don't ignore your emotions. Decluttering isn't just about physical belongings, it's also an emotional journey. Be mindful of the attachment you may have to certain items and allow yourself to let go gradually. Create a supportive environment by playing calming music or inviting a friend to help. 5. Don't forget to label. Labeling is key to maintaining an organized space long-term. Clearly label boxes, bins, and shelves so you know where everything belongs. This simple step saves time and prevents clutter from creeping back in. 6. Don't neglect donations. Items you no longer need can find new life elsewhere. Donate usable items to charity, sell them online or at a garage sale, or recycle responsibly. Knowing that your belongings benefit others can make letting go easier. 7. Don't be a perfectionist. Striving for perfection in decluttering can be overwhelming and unrealistic. Focus on progress over perfection, making small improvements each day. Embrace imperfection and enjoy the journey of creating a space that reflects your unique style and needs. Understanding and avoiding these don'ts is crucial for a successful decluttering and organizing experience. These habits not only hinder your physical space, but also impact your mental well-being and productivity. Let's do a quick recap. Prioritize letting go of unnecessary items, establish an effective organization system, take decluttering one step at a time, acknowledge and manage your emotions, label everything for easy retrieval, donate or recycle responsibly, and embrace progress, not perfection. I'd love to hear about your decluttering experiences and any tips you have to share. Drop them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more practical advice on creating a minimalist lifestyle. Remember, a clutter-free space is just a mindful decision away. See you in this next video.